We're here in the famous Dotonbori. Dito kayo mag-celebrate ng New Year, na complete yung kids. So ito yung entrance. We're just taking our time slowly. Punong-puno yung ngayon. Let us see where ito yung kalye, BC Kalye, BC Road. Ito, green, cross tayo. Yan, we're crossing. Crossing here. Nako, puno na yung tao dito. Okay, where are we? Papasok kami dito. Dami, super dami yung mga tao. We're here. Ang kalye puno din, no? That direction to that direction.
Okay, ano number 1? Takoyaki?
Takoyaki muna tayo. Sige. Hanap tayo doon.
Bakit?
O dito tayo banda magkuhan, konting tao.
Dito mo yung main Dotonbori na madaming stalls. CR. Wala dyan. Actually, doon tayo dapat i-lap off eh.
Ah, okay.
What if we go to the same takoyaki store? You guys, masarap di ba doon? Yeah, let's go there. Let me guide one. Oh, I follow you. I don't know where to go.
Sige, kuhan muna tayo.
We have no choice.
Hanap kami ng takoyaki while tawid gutom, no? Because yung dinner namin baka after mga an hour pa.